Hi guys, Barbara Jennings here, and today I wanted to share with you guys about short sales. Now you may be thinking, short sales and it's 2020. Well, as you guys know, there's a lot of people recently that have been unemployed, have lost their jobs. There's a lot of uncertainty in regards to when they're going to get paid again. Some of them, because of the government shutdown, have been claiming unemployment. Others have been trying to get unemployment and not successful. Some other people own homes and they've asked for a forbearance on their mortgage. And a lot of people don't understand that even though the government says, hey, ask your mortgage company for a forbearance for the next 90 days, and they give it to you, you really need to make sure that you understand the terms that's behind that. When are those payments due that have been missed? And when you go back to work or after those 90 days, are you going to be able to make those new payments? Because some of the banks are going to be adding that in on different ways. Maybe it's all on the back end, which would be great, but you still have interest and stuff that's been accumulated for those 90 days. So there's tons of factors that are involved in regards to having the forbearance. So yes, bank says, okay, sure, 90 days, we'll give you the forbearance, and then what happens afterwards? So that is why I am letting you guys know that because of the circumstances that we're in today, even though that it was caused by the government, needless to say, people still need to make some payments. They still need to work, and we need to be able to sell our homes. So 2018, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, our market has just been going up, and sellers are getting more money for the property. Interest rates have been low. Now, all of a sudden, with the government shutdown, there's a lot of uncertainty of what's going to be happening in the future. So, short sales were a thing of the past. They never stopped, even before the big short sale boom in 2008, 2009, 2010. Short sales, foreclosures, combination of all of those, that they were around way before the boom of the short sales, and they were here after. There's still many homes in this area because they purchased in 2004, 2003, 4, and 5, possibly even into 2006, that the market has not adjusted enough for them to get out of their home, and or they have refied, taking a second lien hold out, which therefore, if they hadn't taken that second mortgage out on the property, then maybe they wouldn't be underwater and having to do a short sale right now, or maybe they just came up into some financial situation. Whatever the case may be, I foresee, even though a lot of people are saying, things will get better, I think they're going to get worse before they get better. And thus, having had done short sales, many short sales, when the short sale boom was going on, I wanted to share with you guys that you too can be have comfort in knowing that the short sale process is not a bad thing. It may be a good way for you to get out of a home knowing that the prices are going to go down. I don't have a crystal ball, so I can't really tell you the percentages are up or down, but just historically speaking, real estate is cyclical and it goes up and down, just like the interest rates. So depending upon what's going on in the market, we need to be prepared to handle short sales and know what's going on. So if you're watching this video and you're saying, gosh, I did ask the bank for a forbearance, or I called the bank and wanted to know what the terms were, and I wasn't in agreement with them, and, I missed my first payment, what is going to happen to me? So I want you to know, you can give me a call or just message me below, and we can talk about a strategy that will work in your benefit, because I know I've done a lot of strategic short sales for people in the past, and this way you have a little bit more control of what's going on. So instead of all of a sudden waiting for a notice to come in the mail, make sure that you are reading what is going on with your bank in particular, because your neighbor, your mother, your brother, your sister, everybody else, they're going to tell you one thing or another. But I'm telling you that you need to read the fine print. You need to get on the phone with your mortgage company and find out what is their process. How are they going to deal with you not making a payment for 30, 60, 90 days, and then what happens afterwards. So, I'm Barbara Jennings, local realtor here, and have done many short sales. And matter of fact, I just got out a bunch of my old paperwork recently in regards to the short sales, and we've got a process and we've got paperwork and things that make the seller at ease when we take them through this process. So there are a lot of documents that you need when you do a short sale. It's almost like if you've done a refi, you know, they want your bank statements, they want your employment statements. We need to write a letter to the bank and let them know why you're behind on your payments and why, you know, they should do a short sale. And, you know, then we have to calculate the numbers. We need tax returns. We need to find out what your market value is and how short of a difference there is in regards to what you owe and what the market is doing, because in different areas it's already shifted. You know, everybody kept saying a couple years ago, probably about 3-4 years ago, hey, the shift is coming, the shift is coming. Well, guys, unfortunately, the shift hasn't happened the way that we thought it was going to happen. It was actually just forced upon us due to the government shutdown and all the outside influences that we have been experiencing. So if you're looking for a local lender, local realtor, to let you know what's going on and how the short sale process works, Barbara Jennings. And like I said, I've got questionnaires, I've got forms, I've got documentation of the process and how we can get you a buyer, how we can navigate and get you into a new place. So you can give me a call at 540-840-1133. Or like I said before, just message me below in regards to finding out what the short sale would look like for you and what it means for you in the future. And let's discuss all of the different things that actually go along with a short sale. So until next time, we'll see you guys later. I'm Barbara Jennings.